Hey babes, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Susie and I am back at it with another one, y'all. So today we're going to be creating the Young Miami outfit. And y'all know I like to get right into it. So if you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, what's good, what's poppin' poo, y'all already know what to do. So y'all, I am starting off with the bra part right here. So we just tracing. I made me some little templates or whatever. So of course, I am going to leave me a little seam allowance on there. This is what it should be looking like. And we're going to go ahead and hem up the sides to give it that better look. Y'all, I was so freaking excited about making this outfit. And when I say I murdered this shit, like, I snapped. Like, I understood the fucking assignment. Like, don't play with me. At this point, I feel like I could do anything. I was, of course, so excited when she brought me this. So, y'all, I'm not going to lie. This fabric, this is my first time working with it. And it gave me some problems. But, of course, I figured it out. I had to change my needle and some more stuff. So, if any sewers out there that's watching this video can give me some tips on needles and what material you need to change needles on, whatever the case may be, please comment down below. Okay, so this is the bikini part, little panties. So this is the back. I made templates and stuff for that as well. This is the front. First time actually doing like a bikini from scratch like this without tracing some of my materials. So y'all, of course, more seam allowance. Comment down below if y'all is a Young Miami fan or whatever. I love her voice. I love the way she talks shit. But me personally, I don't really know much about her or whatever. But she cool. She ain't did shit to me. So y'all, we're gonna go ahead and sew across right here. I did go ahead and add a panty liner in there because I knew this would be so uncomfortable if, you know, it wasn't nothing right there to support. But I did that off of cam. If y'all want to see a video on that, comment down below and let me know. But this is what it should be looking like. And now we're going to go ahead and take like, I forgot to show y'all like the fabric open, but we making like some little sides for we can place the chains on the side of the bikini. And this is super simple, and y'all of course turn it to the right side, and we're going to sew that on the side of the panties or whatever. And this little gold thing, I picked these up at Walmart. So y'all, this is what it's looking like. And y'all, let's talk about the little Dirk and India situation. What's tea, sis? So y'all, before we get into that, these are the shorts I went ahead and cut out. This is the back part that I am cutting now, and then the other part is the front. And I can know y'all like, why is it so little? That's because we not doing like a full pair of shorts in the front. It's just gonna be like covering the crotch area. So I am pointing out where we're gonna sew, so just go ahead and sew straight down that part. But y'all, Dirk and India, so I don't really like to believe what they post on the internet because y'all, they be posting anything. I don't know how true it is, you know. Of course people can just jump straight to conclusion. I don't know, but I feel like guys out here always, okay, so we're going to put these together like so. I still want to explain to y'all what I'm doing. So we're just going to sew literally right there in that area. But y'all, what I was saying, I feel like guys nowadays, they always chasing after a fatter ass or a prettier face. And I feel like at the end of the day in relationships, you're going to be chasing that forever if, you know, if that's what it is that you're after. But anyways, so now y'all, I forgot to put the zipper on first, so I went ahead and used my seam stripper to open it back up, and now I am hemming it and pinning it so we can just go ahead and sew it down. If y'all want a more detailed video on how to apply zippers, then let me know. But yeah, I just feel like that is so petty, sis. Like, and you out here, you showing me off, you bringing me all this, bring me out in front of large crowds, concerts, proposing, and doing all this shit. Like, do you even like me? Am I even your type? Like, what's going on here? Like, I just feel like a lot of relationships, some of the men just don't want to let you go because they know how good of a woman you is. And I just feel like that is so selfish and so petty. Like, if you don't want to be with me, just say that, because at this point you are an embarrassment to me. And like, if you really had that baby, like, y'all, that is so petty. So y'all, this is the where I'm going to place the eyelids or whatever. So I went ahead and put measure like an inch apart for each hole, and you want to also make sure that you have the same amounts of holes on each side, because I think the front side had one hole more, but it's like you couldn't tell, and I didn't know until the last minute. So now we're going to use our eyelids. I got this off of Amazon. I will list it down below, or you can check my storefront on Amazon, but this is what it's looking like. I left the little elastic strings long because I didn't know. I told her she can cut them, or I don't know if she wanted to keep the look. Either way would have been super cute, and she decided to keep them. And y'all gotta make sure y'all stay to the end of the video so y'all can see how mine came out. Like, I absolutely love the outcome. Like, when I say it's like I made the same fucking outfits, like, yes. So right here I picked up this shirt at Walmart. My client said about a medium for her jacket size. So I'm actually gonna wear that shirt too, y'all, because I liked it, the little pattern. It was like, you know, a lot going on. I was gonna take it back, but I'm gonna wear it. So this is the back of the jacket, and y'all, we is going for an oversized look. So of course, like I said, every time you're doing something like this, you wanna do seam allowance. Another thing I wanted to talk to y'all about is I did not know that people be so interested in these celebrity lives. That it'd be so crazy. But of course, y'all know y'all gonna need 2 sleeves. And this is the front part. I went ahead and cut it out. Y'all see, I went and got my nails done. They was looking terrible. And now it's time for me to go again. And y'all, I know y'all probably hear like this little fan in my background, but that's my laptop. I don't know what it's doing, y'all. But yeah. So right here I am basically kind of eyeballing and measuring out like the center of the jacket so we can apply the inside colors and go from there. So on this part, y'all gonna just have to watch and see what I'm doing, because I can't really too much explain it to a T, but yeah, this is what's going on. So now that I went ahead and traced it, I am just going to go ahead and cut out the little shapes that we got here. Oh, sis, I love this knife so bad. Okay, so now we're going to take each color, yellow, red, blue, and green. And we're just going to go ahead, I'm just going to use the pieces that we cut out and cut a little more extra. And these are the pieces that you should have. So I am just showing y'all that I placed it on top, and this is what it should be looking like. And you're gonna go ahead and pin that all the way around. And after you do so, we're just gonna go ahead and sew that. I use black thread. And y'all, also I would like to say rest in peace to PNB Rock. I believe I'm saying his name right, but he was shot and killed at a restaurant with his girlfriend. And that's another thing, y'all. People was talking about she set him up because she posted the location. It's like, I really hope that was not the case. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and sew around each and every one of these. And this is what that piece is looking like, nice and neat. Y'all, this fabric again was hard to work with, so I tried my best. So I am using the Cricut. I picked up some of these little fleece things at Walmart for like 98 cents, so I got a couple. And this material right here was not able to go in the Cricut or whatever, so I had to figure something out. So I used my iPad, and right here you see me tracing it, and it's like the right way. I end up having to flip the image so like it can be like this backwards, and when you cut it out, it'll be like where you can mirror it. So the first piece I had to throw it out, and I just had to make more. So yeah, this is what that's looking like, y'all. I'm so creative. I always come up with some shit. Like, I'm gonna figure it out. So I'm just gonna place that on here, and then I'm gonna pin it, and we're gonna sew that down. It's like, y'all, I be trying not to talk too much, but it's like, I don't know if y'all want to hear like a plain video, and I like to explain my videos to make sure y'all got the understanding of what's going on. But now, since we got that all sewed and pinned down, we're gonna pin it on the actual jacket, and we're gonna literally sew around that as well. But yeah, like I was saying, I don't know if y'all want to just listen to a plain video, but some people videos be actually plain, they don't talk in it at all. But let me know if y'all care or not, because I don't know, I don't think I like to just watch a video with no sound, nobody's talking. But I do be talking a lot though sometimes, y'all. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and sew across that, and then we're gonna sew across the sides after we do this. And I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. But y'all, the world we living in right now is so freaking crazy. It is crazy, 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 crazy. Like, the devil is so busy. Yeah, this is what it's looking like. The devil is busy, honey. Like, y'all don't be afraid. Y'all better make sure y'all live a fear-free life, like, because it is crazy. But it's like so much going on, like with the sex trafficking, with the women, and like, when I say this is crazy, like super, super crazy. Like, you don't feel safe nowhere, but y'all can't live in fear. Y'all gotta keep living day by day. So y'all, we're gonna go ahead and attach the sleeves, and then I'm gonna hem the sleeves afterwards, which I'm doing now. And this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead and add my tag. This is the final finishing look on my end. Y'all, I am so mad at my muse. Like, she did not give me the pictures that I needed for this. Like, I snapped so bad, and she didn't get like a full front body picture, y'all. So, but this is what everything is looking like, y'all. I love it, love it, love it, love it. And these are the shorts, the final finishing look. Like I told y'all, it got the little side pieces if she wanted to keep them, and she did, which was super cute. And my sister went ahead and made her some nails. These are press-on nails by Row. Super cute. Went for the Freaknik look, and yes, same thing, same color. Yes, she snapped, she slayed. Get into them. But y'all, this is the final and finishing look. I hope y'all like it. If y'all need anything, make sure y'all comment down below and let me know. But I love you guys oh so much, and I'm out.